As many people as possible should be able to afford a beautiful and functional home. I constantly challenge myself and others to make more from less without compromising on quality. My goal is to provide functional home furnishing products of various designs at a low price for as many people as possible. Yes, I am. Simply design and low price are also one of the most important values I pursue. My main innovation is taking a technique which is commonly extremely expensive and put a little bit of thinking into it and making it less expensive and affordable. A simple, straightforward, and down-to-earth way of being is part of my heritage. It is about being myself and staying close to reality. I am informed, pragmatic, and see bureaucracy as my best enemy. I am trying to be positive for people and planet, doing my best to invest in sustainable growth and the future. To this end, I am making efforts to accommodate sustainable furniture materials, eco-friendly products, and eco-friendly lifestyle. In addition to that, I am trying to help people live a sustainable life in their daily lives, with the belief of a better world starts at home. There are other things that I value other than what I said earlier. It is equality, diversity, and inclusion. Togetherness is at the heart of my culture. I am strong when I trust each other, pull in the same direction, and have fun together. I see leadership as an action, not a I look for people values before competence and experience. It is about being myself and bring out the best in each other.